The JAMB candidates for this year 2025, here is one more update that you must not miss. Here is one more update that none of you should miss. That is why I'm dropping this video quickly. Immediately I got this update, I'm giving it to you immediately. As you prepare for your examination, right, as you prepare for this coming JAMB, there are certain things you should be alert to. I mean, you should not keep your eyes off these updates. Number one is your mock exam is starting very soon. Of course, you know mock exam is an exam that comes before the main JAMB exam. It's not the main exam, it's more like a mock. It's more like preparing you for the exam. Now, the payment for the mock was different. Not all of you paid for it, but for those of you that registered for the mock, you can reprint your UTME mock slip by 1st of April. By 1st of April, that's just a few days time. Get yourself ready to reprint your mock slip, right? It shouldn't take you much. If you want to reprint it, if you having issues with reprinting, just let me know. I might also drop a video. If you want me to drop a video, let me know on how to reprint the mock slip. By the way, if you are writing the mock, comment under the comment section and let me know so that we can begin to guide you. Then the mock itself is on 10th of April. 10th of April, that is 15 days before the main JAMB starts. That is roughly 2 weeks before the starting of the main JAMB exam. So 10th of April, we expect that the main mock examination will kick off. Okay, reprinting of the main UTME, the major gogo exam, will start from 18th of April. 18th of April, you can go and reprint your UTME, your main UTME slip. Your main UTME slip. It will contain your place you are writing the exam, your exam number, the subject, just your details, everything, and you will enter the hall. You will go to the JAMB center with that slip. It's so important. Then main UTME exam, the gogo exam, will start when? On 25th. By 25th of April, your main exam will start. I think it's on a Thursday. By then, WAEC must have also started, right? So for those of you writing WAEC, NECO, JAMB at the same time, get yourself ready. It's going to be a long ride, and that's why in our channel I've been dropping updates for you. I've been giving you expo questions because you need to be prepared, right? I've been giving you expo questions on art subjects like economics. I've been dropping updates for you, both economics, government. I've been giving you materials you need, expo questions, past question and answer. So if you need me to give you the link to any of the subjects that we have done videos on, you can see we have done, so that you will not cry at the end of the day. If you need me to give, we have done more than 31 videos on use of English. We have done quite a lot of videos on use of English, expo questions, past questions. If you need me to give them to you, just let me know in the comment section, right? So that you can begin to watch from beginning till the end. Now, there are also tricks you need. So you just have to go through our channel and see those things. We have done videos on physics. If you need me to give you the videos we've done on physics, just let me know. We've done quite a lot on physics. We have done quite a lot. You can, right? Let me show you the other subjects we have done. We have done a lot of videos on chemistry. So we have basically covered subjects for art students. We have basically covered subjects for science students. We are basically here for you. We have also done videos on Lucky Headmaster, the JAMB novel. So anyone you want, so that you will smile at the end of this video. Our goal in this channel is for you, and I want you to claim it. You will score 300 and above. You will get admission this year. You will not stay at home. You will not be among those that will cry. You will not waste one more year. You will not become a JAMB customer coming every year to write JAMB. Even if you failed JAMB last year, you will pass this year. I want you to claim it in the comments and say that I must be among those that will pass JAMB this year. I must be among those that will enter school this year, and I must score 300 and above. So any of the materials you need, if you need me to give you free JAMB syllabus, free JAMB past question, tell me in the comment section. If you need me to give you any of the videos we have done on any of the subjects, let me know. It could be yours right now. Remember, To receive any of those things, you just have to join our YouTube channel. Go ahead and join now. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. When you subscribe, come under the comment of this video and type "I have subscribed." Once I see you type "I've subscribed," I will chat you up and send you all the materials you need. There is this video on the screen. Click on it and watch immediately.